neighbors' daughters have some fun in just our yard. Bon is riding her little motorcycle. She's trying to have fun. There you go, she's running around in the driveway. Look at her. She really have fun in her moment. Really have fun. So this is one of the his daughters. Very nice. Very cute. Just for fun, run around the yard. Nagluto pa ko. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that's scary. I don't know if I can do it myself. Trying to drive around in our driveway. There's the Amish. Can you put it live? Can you put it live? Wow, she's really having fun. This is my sister's little mini bike.
Hey guys, this is my new toy right here.
It's not road legal. For reference, she's 4'11". That's how small the bike is.
But yeah, it's my new toy. It's really loud when it goes really fast. I love it. So if y'all wanna try it, y'all could come over here and I'm gonna let y'all try it. Okay?